In today's video, I'm going to teach you Calendly Schedule Appointment Tutorial 2026. How to use Calendly to schedule appointments 5 minutes. Let's get you from zero to a shareable booking link in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to calendly.com. On the homepage, select Login, enter the email you use for your Calendly account, click Continue, then enter your password and continue again. If you're using single sign-on, follow your usual sign-in flow. For security, only use your own credentials and avoid entering sensitive details on shared devices. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. To create a new booking option, click Create, then choose One-on-One. This is perfect for individual appointments like consultations, interviews, or quick check-ins. Give your event a clear, friendly name that tells invitees exactly what to expect, like intro call or project review. You can customize the description later, but a good title makes your link instantly understandable. Next, set the duration. Pick the length that fits the purpose. 15, 30, or 60 minutes are common. Shorter meetings keep momentum, while longer sessions are great for deep dives. Choose a location for the meeting. Calendly supports Zoom, Google Meet, and phone calls, among others. Select the option you use most. If you've connected your video platform, Calendly will automatically generate a meeting link for each booking, which saves time and avoids confusion. Now set your availability. Pick the days and times you want to offer for this event. Make sure the time zone is correct and consider leaving reasonable gaps between meetings. If you tend to run back to back, you might want to add buffers or limit daily bookings to stay on schedule. If you're part of a team or organization, you'll see an option to select who will host this meeting. Choose the appropriate host. If you're working solo, you'll be the default host and can move on. When you're happy with the setup, click Create. Calendly will generate your event page and give you a shareable link. Copy that link and send it to clients or colleagues by email or message, or post it where people can easily book you, like your website or social profiles. Anyone with the link can pick a time that fits your availability, and Calendly handles the calendar invites automatically. That's it. You've created a clean, professional scheduling flow without the back and forth. Save the link, and you're ready to start booking appointments right away.